Let's see if he does it himself.
I doubt it. No. I can hear it growling though. Wow! That's fucking unique.
Good guess when you pull the camera up. I gotta ask him to do that again.
Why does it sound like a
I'm gonna ask him what exhaust he has in and tell my friend Audi to put it on when he gets it.
Is that your friend who working the good money? Who wanted that BMW?
Yeah.
Yo, I can't hate the rims look nice.
Go hit it.
Wow. It sounds like it's purring like a fucking cat.
Wow, that's the best exhaust I've probably ever heard.
Not only does it sound like it's gonna eat you, it looks beautiful.
Yeah.
I drive that over my TL any fucking day.
Yeah. Look at it.
Look, it's beautiful. Can't hate. Oh my god, it looks amazing in the mirror too.
Here you go.
Wow!
What the fuck? It's like thundering and lightning and shit. Yeah, thanks a lot, asshole.
Sorry, I wasn't paying attention. I heard the squeals and then I looked up.
Okay, that's probably. I think that might be dirtier than the other one we heard.
Yo, I'd drive this over that any day.
Also got two new YouTube videos. Wow, that was disgusting. Like, that's not even an exhaust. That's just disgusting.
Like, you can tell he can make it loud whenever he wants.
Stick out the window.
No way, I don't trust myself. I would, but I don't trust myself. My grip isn't what it used to be. Trying to scare this nigga? You trying to kill me?
Turn it up. Turn out the window. I gotta ask him what the name is. Nobody can get that one. It's quiet otherwise.
I like that.
He's gonna rip the shit out of it. Yo, wait.
No, he's gone.
What's the name of the exhaust? What? Oh yeah? It sounds amazing, man.